Welcome to that Tiny Tutor, tutorial number 7. Push it, say it.
Push it, say it. When do you do push it, say it, Mac? After you do the word box and your word sort. So take any of the words your kids were working on in their word sort and make a push it, say it game out of it. So I have some short vowel family endings. Can you read these for me, Mac? Ank,
Ank,
ek,
ek,
ink,
ong,
unk, unk.
unk.
I like to read it with her and then let her try it on her own. Your turn.
Ank, eek,
Ek.
ek,
Good. Short I.
ink,
Ink.
ink, ong, unk.
You can have individual consonant sounds. Can you read me the letters you have?
B, D, T, S, R.
Good. Then I also like to mix it up with some blends. Can you read me the blends?
Cla, bra,
Oh, try that again. Is that a B or a D?
dra,
Good.
cha, bla, the.
Or TH can make either or the. Okay, so you heard that I had L blends, R blends, H blends. Okay, this is really simple, parents. Just like it sounds, you're going to push it and say it. I'm going to say a word and you're going to make it for me. Can you make the word bank? Find the word cards you need. Bank. Good. We need an ink and we need a B. 2 pointers. 1 pointer on the beginning sound. Left pointer on the beginning sound. Right pointer on the ending sound. Ba, ank. Push it together. Bank.
Bank.
You try.
Ank, bank.
Good. And you can actually push the cards together. Okay. Now I want you to make the word tank. So I'll use the same ending and then change the beginning. Tank. Same ending, Mac. Ank. Push it, say it. 2 pointers.
Ank, tank.
Good. Now can you do thank? Words that are similar sometimes are tricky, so I like to do those together.
Ank, tank.
Excellent. Okay, now I'm going to change up the ending. I want you to make drink. Okay, do push it, say it. 2 pointers.
Dra, ink, drink.
Excellent.
Bungalow.
That's push it, say it. You can give them combinations of words to say. Once they're getting the hang of it, let them go free and make their own words. Mac, can you make a word for me? Okay, she went for the S.
Song.
Song.
Can you tell me? I just wanna know. Bop.
You can see that when they make their own words, it's a little more advanced, but it's a great way to know that they have the sounds. Thanks for joining us for Push It.
Say it.
Say
and
it.
do not cut the sound. Bop. 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 Can you tell me?
Bye.